Hey guys, shaFs here. So today I will show you a setup which will make your boring home screen from this to this. So the setup is based on Doctor Strange and is purely made on Xiaomi's own theme app, meaning that no KWGT or any other launcher are used in this setup. So if you're new here, do subscribe and check out my other videos after this one. Now without further ado, let's get started. So watch the full video so you don't miss anything. So firstly, we'll change the icon size in Poco launcher to 0 and the layout to 5. Now we will add the clock widget on the home screen. Remember, the first one, the theme only applies to that first one. Now coming to the theme, so this setup is based on multiple themes. So the first theme we're gonna download is Elegant Max and we will apply it only to home screen and uncheck the other three options. Now for icons, I used yellow pattern. Now for system, download the theme OS version 12.5 and apply it only to system. For lock screen, I downloaded the theme called Oppo Reno Marvel and I applied it only to lock screen. Now we'll go back to home screen and you can see that the clock widget has changed to this yellow themed clock theme. And now for the lock screen and control panel, you can see here both have changed and has interesting look to them. Now for wallpapers, so you can use any Doctor Strange wallpaper. So if you want to use wallpapers I used here, I will provide the link in the comment section. Now apply the wallpaper and place the icons according to that. And now your setup is complete. So that's it from this video. Hope you enjoyed, and if you did, then do like the video and subscribe if you haven't. This is shaFs and I will see you in the next one.